Hello, and today we are all finished with the normal easy blocks if you have seen my last 3 videos. And so now we are going to make a little animation. So we want people to talk, not this cat. So we are going to right click the sprites icon and press delete. Then see this new box? We want to press choose sprite from library. Now these things will come up. We want to get a person. So we are going to get this guy. And we want to talk with someone. So this time let's pick this bear and double click. So we are going to have this guy talk to this guy. So when we start, we want to put the bear here and set it to 115. Yeah, you don't need to do this exactly, but I like to just make it more simple. And we want to put go to events and put a 1 green flag click and right click it and press cleanup. So when we start it, the bear will go to this certain place. So now we want to get this guy and we want him to move here. So we want a when clicked and put this here. So now when we start it, it'll go here. So we want him to say something. We're going to have him say hello. So go to looks and let's drag this and put it here. So when it starts, it says hello for 2 seconds and then it disappears. You can change this to more or less depending on how long you want it. And the bear is we're going to click on the bear and wait 2 seconds because this person says it for 2 seconds, so we want to wait for 2 seconds and then we are also going to say hello. So hello, hello. So right after he says hello, the bear says hello. So the bear, we are going to move 10 steps, move 30 steps. So, and he's going to say, and we're going to wait 1 second, and we're going to say, what is your name? So you can click this and just type whatever you want. So what is your name and question mark for 2 seconds, and the bear is going to say, and then we're going to wait 2 seconds, and then the bear is going to say, my name is Polar Bear. So let's see what happens now. So as you can see, this collided with the other hello. So we want to wait 2 seconds, not 1. See now, hello, hello. It's going to move back. Oh yeah, I know why. It needs to move forward. So we're going to do -30 instead, because now this is positive and this is negative, and we want him to move this way, so he will move negative steps. And now if he ever goes forward, will go forward and move positive 30 steps. So now we want the other person to wait another 2 seconds and it's going to say my name is Bob, let's say. And yeah, and I guess now we are going to go to the polar bear and say, and we're going to, don't forget, we're going to put this in and wait 2 seconds, and then we're going to say come with me. And so we need to change the backdrop now since they are moving to a new place. And right now we don't want this white backdrop because they are in the middle of nowhere. So we're going to press this little stage. It's under the real stage, and I'll say one backdrop. And we're going to go to backdrops, and we're going to press on the top here. We are going to press choose a backdrop right here. And now we are going to do a little driveway. You can do anything you want, but I'm going to do this. Yeah, so now they are in this place. And we want them maybe on here. And so now we've moved him. We don't want him to go back to his normal position. So we're going to put it here and put that back. And he's going to say, I am a tree. And here. Then my name is Bob. Going to say, come with me. It says, I am a tree. I can not move. And then we're going to make the polar bear come to him and drag him. So we want to do, and then we are going to wait 2 seconds. And then we are going to say go to, and then we're going to say go to this guy, and then we want to move, I don't know, 300 steps. So now we're going to see it full screen. Oh, okay. So that was quite not good. And I forgot, we don't want to move it. We don't want go to. So we're going to do glide 3 seconds to sensing. Here's where it gets a bit complicated. X position of Amon, or Amon, this guy, and Y position of Amon. This is in sensing direction, Y position. So now we are going to do yeah, and we're going to move, I don't know, 1000, just to make sure he gets to the end of the screen. And we're going to do wait 2. So after he says it, we need to wait 2 seconds. Oh wait, no. We want another glide. And we're going to say, you can move for 2 seconds. And then he's going to go to X, oh no, 1000. Glide to X 370. No, on 1000 and Y there's 4 right now. So we want Y position of thing. So we wanted to wait 3 seconds. So 5 seconds and glide 3 seconds to X 1000 and Y 40 is right now. So let's see it now. Hello. What is your name? My name is Paul. My name is Bob. Come with me. I'm a tree, I cannot move. And he goes to him. You can move. And yeah, there we go. So that was very good. And now we're going to do. So now we don't go back to backdrops, and now we don't need this white screen. So click on it, and we're going to press the little black X here and delete it. And we're going to get a new backdrop, and we're going to get 3 more before they go to the wherever polar bear is right now. So here, the next one, and do it again. You can do any backdrops you want. It doesn't affect it. And playing field. And then one more. I mean, two more. 2 more. So forest. And then you want somewhere a bit more cold. So maybe underwater. Yeah, that would be good. So this one. So we want a bit colder one. And then we want it to go to this winter lights one, where the polar bear lives right now. Oops. So now go back to scripts, and now we don't want X dimension, we want 500 for this, and 500. So now we want to go to switch backdrop to parking ramp, and at the start you want to change the backdrop to driveway, to parking, and then we want it to go back to the end, minus 500. We want the same for the bear, so drag it and then put it on the bear, and it will pop up there. And we want to go here. So let's see. So hello. My name is Polar Bear. My name is Bob. Come with me. and I have a tree I cannot move. And he gets him and says you can move, and then they go to the next one. And then now they're there. So now we want the same thing here. Now we want it here again. So the bad thing is every time we run it, we have to say the thing. We have to watch the things from the beginning again. So that's quite sad. And we're still okay, I guess. Now it's gonna go to the next one. Yeah, so we want to go out and we want to start that. And we want the same here. And switch backdrop to plain field. So basically we want to do that again and again. And this is getting a bit long. So we're just going to finish off the backdrops and then we're going to end this video. So we want to do it again and glide again and then glide 3 seconds and then forest. Then we want to do it again. Then we want the winter. And then finally we want the winter lights. So now we're just going to run it and then we'll do the rest of it in the next video. So last thing. So next time we are going to do the polar bear and do the rest of the talking. See you in the next video.